Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover the unsaved draft emails from Outlook so you can get back your important technical scripts, save your 2026 professional correspondence from being lost, and maintain a high-end studio workflow even when technology glitches. Let's get into it. First, open your Outlook application and navigate to the folders. The first step is entering the primary technical environment where your 2026 data is stored. In 2026, Outlook's interface is designed to candidly autosave most of your work, but you need to know exactly where the Recovery Studio is located. Launch your Outlook desktop app or the web version. Look at the left-hand navigation pane where all your primary folders like Inbox and Sent are listed. Click on the Folders tab or the arrow to expand your full directory. You are looking for the standard structural layers of your account. To perform a mechanical necessity like data recovery, you must first ensure you are looking at the correct account tree. This ensures you aren't searching in an amateur quality temporary cache when the data is actually sitting in a professional folder. Next, check the Drafts folder thoroughly. Before moving to advanced technical recovery, you must check the most obvious studio location where Outlook is programmed to deposit your unsaved technical software tutorials. Click directly on the Drafts folder. In 2026, Outlook often performs a silent save every few minutes. Sort the list by date to see the most recent entries at the top. Look for a draft that might not have a subject line. These are often the candid remains of a crashed session. Most lost emails aren't actually gone, they are simply sitting in this technical holding zone waiting for you to hit continue. Checking here first is the professional standard for a quick 2026 recovery. Next, access the Deleted Items recovery tool. If the draft isn't in your main folder, it may have been candidly moved to the trash during a software sync error or an accidental closure. Click on the Deleted Items or Trash folder. Look at the very top of the message list for a text link that says Recover Items Recently Removed from this folder. Click that link to open the secondary recovery window. This is a high-end technical studio space where Outlook keeps items for up to 30 days. Many creators don't realize that Deleted Items has its own hidden backup layer. Using this mechanical necessity can save a 2026 bookkeeping report that you thought was gone forever. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.